Apple Watch Series 10. I didn't just get one of these, I actually picked up two. I couldn't really make a decision on which one I preferred or which one I wanted, so I want to test out both to determine which one is going to work best for me. I got 42 millimeter gold and I also got the 46 millimeter jet black. The unboxing experience is going to be very similar between both of these, so I'm going to keep this pretty simple and straight to the point. So I'm really curious to see what the jet black looks like first, because the jet black reminds me of the previous jet black iPhone. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what this looks like in person. And well, yeah, it's jet black, very shiny aluminum here. I'm hoping it doesn't get scratched up or dinged up like the iPhone did in jet black. But anyways, you do get the charger in the box. You're going to get the same charger in both boxes, so we'll put that aside. I did get a pretty nice sport band from Apple. It's in this purple color here, and to me personally, it looks awesome, especially with that jet black. This is going to be a pretty solid combination. Personally, I usually don't go with the sport band. This will be the first time that I'm going to be using this, but that purple color just drew me right to this, especially with that jet black. And as I mentioned, that color combination looks absolutely phenomenal. Anyways, we'll get into the gold watch now. This is the 42 millimeter. I am curious to see how it compares to this color combination and just the overall size as well, since this is the 42 millimeter. The inside of the box is going to be very similar, so we're just going to kind of put these aside and just jump right into the unboxing here of the watch. Here we have that watch in gold. This gold titanium is very nice looking in person. Some of the other videos I watched, I hope this is doing it justice, but in person, this looks great and it's easily my favorite so far. Really liking the gold just right out of the box here. Not a huge fan typically of these bands, but I am curious to see just how it works for me trying something new. It looks really good with this watch. Yeah, just this combination here. I'm really liking this. It's pretty clean, pretty sleek. Whereas the other one's a little bit sportier. I definitely like the 46 millimeter though. That larger watch face is definitely quite nice, especially if you do any typing or anything on that display. It's going to come in hand having that larger display. And here's kind of the overall size comparison so you get an idea of what the two look like. In the comments, let me know, did you pick up any of these watches? What would you like to know about the Watch 10 series? Let me know. Looking forward to that conversation. As always, thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.